Let's take a look at the accounting so far, um, bringing it up to date for the sales from my January 29th auction purchases. I've drawn up a detailed listing here of every item that I sold, um, what the cost was for the lot, how much it sold for, and then what the different fees were. Um, you can see here this Ohio bicycle license plate. That was actually a lot of 25 bicycle license plates, only one of which sold. It cost me $40.25 for the lot, and I sold one for $7. So thus far, it represents a loss of $35.15 once you factor in the fees. Now I still have 24 of the plates left, so I still have the potential for more sales out of that. Um, the next two items were in the same purchase lot, and you can see together those two monkey tins netted me a 50-cent profit. Um, the fountain pen with the box wound up profiting by $4.41, and the big winner was the McKee Jadeite tea canister at $157.86 profit. Um, Down here, the all of the talc tins, you can see the purchase was is just being shown against the last tin here in the list. So it's looking like there's a $58 loss on the one tin, but the reality is that um, everything added up together shows a $51.05 profit. These gaps here are items that were purchased together, so the fees and the shipping were all calculated in together. Um, so the Colgate Violet, the Larkin Orange, and the Colgate Eclat were all one single purchaser, and then the Florient, the Larkin Ideal, the Squibs Bouquet, and the Armand were also a single purchaser. Um, and then we round things out with the Takara Chronoform watch, the Scrapbook, and the Outlaw program, which were the same purchase lot, and the Victorian cane. Let's see if we can look at a simplified list of everything. And here we go. We've got um, the listings by just the purchase lots now. So all the talcum tins are aggregated, and as well as the scrapbook and the program and the monkey themed tins. All in all, I spent $356 at the auction. Thus far, I've got sales of $817.70. I've paid eBay fees of $91.68, another $27.27 in PayPal fees, and shipping costs. You'll see that some items have shipping costs associated and some do not. Um, with regards to the McKee tea canister and the scrapbook and the program, those were um, high enough purchase amounts that I decided to insure those, and those are the insurance costs are fees that I incur. Um, when I listed the bicycle plates, license plates up, I listed those with free shipping, which means that I wound up paying that shipping out of pocket. So that was 70 cents to ship that. Everything else I collected shipping costs for. So my shipping costs were relatively low this month at $18.14. All added up together, thus far, I've got a profit of $324.11 on that $356.50 purchase. I still have remaining bicycle license plates, and I still have one talcum tin left, and that's simply because I had a duplicate tin. so I didn't want to sell both of them at the same time. And if we take a look here, we can see the running total on everything. We opened the year with $100, and the first auction I made purchases of $54.24, and the profits on those purchases were $358.62, which left me $404.38 to go shopping at the January 29th auction, at which I spent $356.50, and my gross profit from those purchases thus far is $680.61, leaving me $728.49 to go shopping at my next auction.